class selector and set its padding to 30 pixels. Under code, you can see the padding. Working with margin, in main.css, locate the dot gallery items class selector. Currently it has a margin of 2 pixels. Change that value to 20 pixels. More margins. Instructions in index.html. Figures with a class gallery item are contained inside a div with a class gallery. In main.css, locate the dot gallery selector. Set margin top property to 20 pixels. So in index.html, figures with the class gallery dash item are contained inside a div with a class gallery. In main.css, locate dot gallery class selector. Set the margin top property to 20 pixels. Instructions. On the Tundra Gallery homepage, notice the navigation bar on the bottom left. In index.html, this is represented by a nav element containing a UL with 3 list items. Read through the HTML and locate this code. In main.css, locate the nav ally selector. Give it a display property of inline. So look for the nav ally. Give it a display inline. Using float. In main.css, locate the class selector.contact button. And assign float to it. So look at the different variation. Right, so Flex instructions. Before we start working with Flex, expand the web browser view by clicking the arrow button in the top right corner. Take a moment to notice that the image gallery is arranged vertically and off-center. Yeah, vertically and off-center. Next, locate the dot gallery class selector. In main.css, set the display property to Flex. So now it's across the board, full width of the page in a row. So number 2, there's a problem. If you look to the right side of the web page, some of the gallery items are cut off. Right here. Okay, so to solve this, below display flex property, create a flex wrap property and set it to wrap. That looks better. Okay, so number 3, finally, we will center the gallery images for the dot gallery selector. Add the property justify content and set it to center. That looks much better. Very cool. Working with position